How to bold the text on iPhone. Well, it's a very quick and easy process, so let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of your device. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Inside accessibility, the option of display and text size will be visible to you. All you want to do is head over to it. So in here, at the very top, you'll see the option where it says bold text. Right now it is disabled. In order to turn it on, all you want to do is toggle on this button. And there you go, the bold text has been enabled successfully. Well, if you want to disable, you can turn it off anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can bold the text on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.